Hey everyone, it's Keisha Sumner, also known as the Ivy Marketing Mogul. Wanted to come to you today to talk about a system that's actually been um, very consistent for me. Every time that I market it, I actually bring in at least 1 to 2 people every time that I market it. And so because it's been so consistent for me, I wanted to show you how you could actually make anywhere from 250 to 1,000 a week with the Prosperity Marketing System, also known as PMS, how you could actually do that in 30 days. I'll say it has a low front end, and I'll talk about that a little bit. Low front end cost, and it's monthly, but it's not that much money, to be honest. It's really not that much money. I'm very consistent with it, and I make money every month with it. So it's literally been the most consistent that I've had. And I got started with it about 6 months ago, something like that, and I've made money ever since. So the first thing you have to have is belief and commitment. I do not like working with people who have zero belief and do not believe that they can make money online and who have zero commitment. What does commitment mean? It means consistency. It means you have to be in your business on a daily basis. You just have to. And I'll talk about that a little bit more and how you can actually market daily. The first thing after you believe that you can, and you have to speak these things, and what does that mean? Speaking belief in your life, speaking belief daily. It means that you are telling yourself that you are a money magnet. That's things that I speak to myself every day. It means that you have goals, that you have identified goals. Identified clear goals. Okay, very clear. My goal is making making $30,000 a month. That's my goal. It's very clear. I can break that down on a daily basis. That means I have to make $1,000 a day. Very, very clear. And then I go about how to do that. The next thing to do is to get started with PMS. So I'm going to go to PMS and show you a little bit about what it looks like. And I'm going to, this is my dashboard. Okay, these are my links and all that good stuff, but I want to take you to the income builders and why this really, really is an amazing system. One, you can use this to market any business, okay? You can market any business within Prosperity Marketing System, but I'll tell you why you can then use it to market your own, a high-ticket business that would make you $250 to $1,000 a week, and I'll show you that business. So I'm going to take you to my primary business within Prosperity Marketing System. This is the beauty of Prosperity Marketing System. The beauty is that I have put my unique information in here, and this is my primary business. You could set that up. All you have to do is literally go through. When you go through PMS, it'll take you to the dashboard, and it takes you straight to what you should do step by step by step. Okay, that's under member home, I believe. So it takes you step by step by step. Okay, you should join with me. If you're going to join with me, you're going to join my primary business. What does my primary business look like? My primary business is Easy One Up. Okay, the thing that I like about Easy One Up is it's one time, and that's it. And you can make great money with it. The other amazing thing is that U.S. residents get financing. That is amazing, and nobody is doing that. Okay, again, U.S. residents get financing. Okay, so you can ask me how. And it's not like you don't get financing for $25 or $100 or $500. You get financing for $1,000 or $2,000. Okay, so if you want financing, just reach out to me. Okay, I show you actually how you can make it. How I make this system automated once you join Easy One Up. And then you can ask me how to get qualified for free for the next level in Easy One Up if you come in at the lower level. So it's easy. You just do this. You join Prosperity Marketing System, join Easy One Up, and then we get into how to make this automated and how to qualify for a free level when you get started, and also obviously if you're used resident, how you get financing. Okay, so I wanted to show that to you, and I'll show you a little bit about Easy One Up and a little bit of my results. So just wanted to point out, my results so far in doing this. Again, you can make $250 to $1,000 a week, and these are my some of my earnings. So when you get started, my suggestion is you just get started very quickly, and with me, let me help you, because I have obviously the knowledge to be able to help you to do that. And then you market daily. So just to talk a little bit, excuse me, about marketing daily. I'm going to sneeze again. Excuse me. Sorry, I'm so sorry about that. I'm keeping this in. I'm not taking this out of the video. Anyway, it's real. It's honest. Here it is. So just to talk a little bit about this, I have one source. And I may add one more, but I have one source literally that I use that makes me the money, that has made me money in this complete system. And once you start using that, you'll be able to find the same success that I have. Okay, so here's my earnings. It is what it is. And once you start getting that, once you get in Prosperity Marketing System and then come over to Easy One Up, I will show you exactly how you can do this plus more. Okay, so those are my results. I market daily, and I'll show you the one source that I use in order to be able to do that. Okay, so I'm looking forward to working with you, and there we go. Thank you for checking us out, and get started. There's a link below, and look forward to working with you soon. Peace.